Hi, today I am going to show you the different technique of merging the oil pastel colors. So I have right now different varieties of like 4 chambers I have made. I am going to show you 4 different techniques how to merge it. So I have all different shades in order of darker to lighter. So first I will start with this purple violet. So generally what is the easy way to do this? Like I have applied this darker shade, suppose on the top, and then I've used little lighter shade, and then this. We have to keep in mind that whenever we are doing 2 shades merging, so this line in between should not be very prominent. Always after applying, you can do one thing, like you can take the darker shade again and overlap on the lighter shade, so that it will help in merging the thing very better way. I have taken a little lighter shade than the previous one. I am going to fill that also. Then again I will overlap the previous darker shade on top of this shade, so that I will not have any sharp edge in between. It has to be smooth. So I have taken right now very lighter shade of pink color for the bottom area. Now what next I will do, I will take the previous shade and then overlap on this pink area. Little bit, not more, only on the line in between 2 colors. Now you can see this is overlapping on each other. Now the best way, which everybody does, is taking a tissue paper and rub to soften this area. So while you are rubbing the color, make sure that you are rubbing this line, you are rubbing in between 2 different colors. The middle line has to be rubbed darker towards lighter, not lighter towards darker. I can do these strokes also. So you can see now you can see the merging. The lines are not visible. It is blended properly. If you feel this color is looking very darker than this, so you can always overlap more on top of the other color and then rub with the tissue paper little more. So now see the merging. So this is the way of tissue paper technique. Right now I am going to show you the other technique. Now I have 4 different color, dark green. So what I am going to do, I have taken the dark green, the same way of application. This time I am going to use my fingertip. Generally I do not recommend to use the fingertip technique, because when you rub your fingertip, it can hit up and it can hurt you also sometimes. So if your oil pastels are good quality, then it may not hurt you that much, but if it is of little lower quality and it is not blending properly, then it may hurt, it may hit up your fingertip. So now I have taken little lighter shade than this. While doing the merging work, it is very important for all of you to understand that the line सो अभी आप देख सकते हैं जैसे मैंने ये रब किया है फिंगर टिप से, इसमें क्या हो सकता है कि आपका थोड़ा बहुत जो है पैचेस वाला इफेक्ट आ सकता है जो फिंगर टिप से करते हैं, और फिंगर खराब होता है और आपको थोड़ा प्रेशर फील होता है. रेस्ट द ब्लेंडिंग ऑफ द लाइन्स आर बेटर देन द टिश्यू पेपर वन. नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू शो यू अनदर टेक्निक. सो नाउ आई हैव darker blue, like this is a dot technique. You can use multiple dots. इसमें थोड़ा वक्त ज़्यादा लगता है. You take more time to do it. First layer you can do more of darker color, then lighter. So any kind of painting you can use these techniques to make it more better. So now I have taken little lighter color than this, and then I have used just below than that. I can sometimes go in between also, no problem. तो आप ये भी कर सकते हैं कि आप लाइटर कलर, डार्कर टुवर्ड्स लाइटर कलर जो भी ले रहे हैं, या जो भी दो कलर्स आप यूज कर रहे हैं उसको ये डॉट 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 वाले टेक्निक से आप फिल कर सकते हैं. इसमें इफेक्ट कुछ और ही आता है, डिफरेंट टाइप आता है, but it also looks better when you merge it. अब मैं इससे भी लाइटर कलर लूंगी. ये वाले टेक्निक्स बड़े बड़े पेंटिंग्स जो बनते हैं जिसमें इफ यू आर मेकिंग अ big oil pastel drawing piece, painting piece, then you can use these techniques to fill the bigger area, to show ground, playground, sky or something like that. Now I have taken a very lighter color than this, and then I'll go to the below area by using this lighter shade. This is the third technique of using oil pastel. If you want, you can use a tissue paper or fingertips, or you can leave it like that also. Light shade में light stroke से आप इसको blend करेंगे. इसको मैं ज़्यादा merge नहीं कर रही हूँ. I am leaving it as it is. So you can see it looks like this. और सबसे लास्ट आखिरी वाला जो मैं आपको दिखाने वाली हूँ वो है रैंडम स्ट्रोक्स. रैंडम स्ट्रोक मीन्स मैंने अभी जैसे डार्क कलर लिया, मैं उसमें कुछ भी पजल टाइप खचर पचर, लाइक मेकिंग सम पजल, मैं इस तरीके से जैसे छोटे बच्चे करते हैं, like a small kid, if you give them any kind of pencil or stick, they do like this. So you can use this kind of strokes, and then I have taken a little lighter shade than this, and I have done, and in this there is no restriction of, so you can see I have used the same after using this all round stroke. The merging also I did round randomly. जिस तरीके से आपने ऐसे राउंड पजल टाइप का खचर पचर करके आपने लाइन बनाया थे, उसी टाइप का आप मर्जिंग करेंगे. इसमें आपकी मर्जिंग बहुत वेल होता है. सबसे बेस्ट तरीका ही होता है. यू कैन सी लाइटर टू डार्कर शेड में कितना अच्छे से मर्ज हुआ है. आप सारे टेक्निक यूज कर सकते हैं. इट इज़ अप टू यू कि कौन सी टेक्निक से आपका मर्जिंग वेल होता है. हर इंसान अपने तरीके से करता है. जब आप पेंटिंग करते हैं तो इसका जो इफेक्ट होता है उस पर डिपेंड करता है. माई वे ऑफ डूइंग दिस, आई लाइक दिस टेक्निक वेरी वेल and this technique very well, but sometimes in some strokes we combined all kind of effect. Thank you very much. आपको इससे समझ आया होगा कि किस तरीके से हम ऑयल पेस्टल को ब्लेंड कर सकते हैं. For more queries, please like and subscribe our channel, YouTube channel Kalakal Sanskritik Sanstha. Thank you.